hoping for, of course, the grand would be nice. But we open for a major. None too greedy, none too greedy. A couple minus would do. 4 coins. It's beautiful seeing 4 coins. You know, you need 3 coins to get in the bonus, 2 coins to re-trigger the bonus once you have it. But it's beautiful seeing like 4 coins. It really is. Oh, woo. Come on, baby. Come on, 15 games. Give me something good. Re-trigger, that's right. Give me the lock and link bonus in there. Throw that lock and link bonus in there, please, and thank you. Re-trigger. Give me that lock and link. These Lucky Links are hard to get on this particular Buffalo because you need 9 instead of 6 compared to Dragon Link. But it's very doable. Come on, baby. We're more than halfway in and you still haven't gave anything. Give me that Lucky Link, baby. Come on, Buffalo Link. Good job on the re-triggers. Good job on the re-triggers. But give me some credits, baby. Come on, baby. Give me that lock and link. Come on, lock and link. Oh, that was close, huh, folks? That was close too. Re-trigger. Okay, okay. I see you. I see you, re-trigger. Give me that lock and link. It passed so close to give the lock and link. So close. Will it give the lock and link? That's the question of the day. That's the question of the game. Will it give the lock and link to me? I got the lock and link. Oh God, I got the lock and link. We finally have the lock and link, folks. Come on, lock and link. Come on. Okay. Come on, Major. Come on, Major. Come on, Major. I've been waiting for this lock and link. This entire bonus. Finally got the lock and link. Y'all, we need one more. You know, if I get that one more, you know that's the grand, right? Y'all aware of that? Not the super grand, but it's the regular grand. Come on, Major. Oh, okay. I thought I was about to flip out my chair and pass out. Needed one more to flip out of my chair and pass out on the floor. Needed just one more. That's it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. It need a re-trigger into another lock and link. Folks, how crazy would that be if it would re-trigger into another lock and link with the remaining free games? Can it be done? Has it ever been done? Will it be done? Let's find out. Let's find out, folks. Let's find out right now. Re-trigger to a lock and link, baby. See, I needed 3 more with a re-trigger to a lock and link. Re-trigger. Re-trigger. Come on, re-trigger. We asked you to re-trigger into a second lock and link of the same game. I don't think I had a double lock and link in one game before. I'm not sure. Last round. That was close. It could have re-triggered, but it didn't. Alright, folks. This is the Lightning Buffalo link. Buffalo!